Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about GraphQL. GraphQL is basically technique of creating the API. So in this tutorial, we have created one Spring Boot project and integrate the GraphQL in our Spring Boot project. So we have understand and learn the theory and practical example also. So watch this tutorial to till end so you can understand the concept of GraphQL. And you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon.
This is slideshow, guys. We have creating the employee management API by using GraphQL. So in that, this is our main agenda, guys. This is employee management system API using GraphQL. We have creating small project on GraphQL. So watch this video till end so you can understand the concept of GraphQL. Secondly, we have architecture diagram. Firstly, we have various applications like web application, iOS application, Android application, various application. That application needs the data. So that application will be uh, setting the request in the form of GraphQL query. In the GraphQL query, hitting the GraphQL server, and inside the GraphQL server, we have writing some logic, and after that, executing that logic, we have getting the destination payload at the response. This is the basic GraphQL architecture diagram. This is second structure, guys. We have REST API and GraphQL API. We have to find the difference between them. So we have in REST API we have creating multiple endpoints like slash player, slash team, slash matches. That multiple endpoint will be communicated with each other by using REST API or any other communication protocol. And we have getting the data from the database and fetching the data from the database or inserting the data in the database. But in GraphQL API we have not that we have handling. We have client side, and client side there will be some entities like player, teams, and matches. The entities will be that inside the client side. The client will be requesting the data. Means we have player, and inside the player we have three tags: ID, first name, and last name. So inside client side we have to require only first name, player's first name. The client will be creating the GraphQL query and fetching the only player's first name from the database. This is the advantage of the GraphQL, guys. In the REST API, we have getting the data for players, then all data will be players will be fetched, and as per client requirement, client will be rectify that data. But inside the GraphQL, we have flexibility to the maintain the data. When which we have required the data, we have to fetching from the database. This is the GraphQL, guys. So we have closing this, and we have create one small project on GraphQL. So we have opening the Eclipse ID, Eclipse. So we have created one new project. That, guys, we have creating new project like Spring Starter project. Okay, inside Spring Starter project we have creating one new project. Project is creating, guys. Then we have giving the name like employee meant using GraphQL. Okay, this is our project. Okay, then here we can create the Maven project, and here we can giving the okay, then GraphQL, and our project name will be that like this. We are not allowing the space. Okay, then our same like package name. Okay, and our description same like our name. Okay, then all things will be okay, guys. Then we have clicking on next, and here we can clicking on one dependency like Java Web, and second dependency will be that second dependency we required like GraphQL. Spring for GraphQL. Okay, this is two dependencies required, guys. Then we have clicking on next and clicking on finish. So guys, our project is creating, guys. Okay guys, our project is created, guys. Then we have to open pom.xml file. Inside pom.xml file, we have to change the version of Spring Boot like 2.0, and all things will be same, guys. No change in all things, that things. Okay, all things will be same. Then we have to save this, and 3.0 dependency downloading, guys. Okay, then we have to create some packages. So firstly, our main class will be already created by Spring, guys. Okay, then we have to create firstly model package. New, we have create package like dot model. Okay, we have creating model package. Inside model package, we have create one record. This is new concept of record, guys, by Spring invented this record concept. We have wait some time, the dependency is downloading, guys. Okay, so our project is downloaded, and we have created one new package. Okay, it will be model package. Here we can create one new record like employee. Okay, this is our employee record. Inside employee record, we have creating one constructor. Inside constructor, we have getting three fields like integer, id, string, name, and we have giving the team. Which team will be that employee? Okay, that employee which team belong with. So we have create one class of employee. We have create one enum of team. Why it is not showing us? We have creating new enum like team. Okay, that will be saved, and here we can creating enum. We have defining some departments like HR department, product department, like marketing department, and management department, and technical technical department. Okay, this is 5 department we have in our employee management system. Okay, then we have to create one service layer. So here we can click on new, and here we can create the class like service. Okay, employee service. Okay, inside employee service we have creating some employee data firstly. So here we can firstly create one list of employee. Firstly, we have giving annotation of Spring annotation at the rate service to creating the bin. Okay, this is stereotype annotation, guys. Okay, then we have to private list of employee. Okay, we have clicking on next of employee list. Okay, And next we have to create one atomic integer. Atomic integer id is equal to new atomic integer, and it will be starting from 0. Okay, then we have to create one method like find all. Okay, firstly we have init the data. So private void init. Okay, then we have to employee list dot add, and we have adding the employee. Okay, okay, we have like id dot get atomic increment and get. Okay, and here we can give the name like Sham C. Okay, and it will be team like team dot, it will be technical person. Okay, same we have adding the 4 to 5 employees. Okay, then second employee, third employee, fourth employee, and fifth employee. Okay, and second employee name will be that Priti P, and he is on product team. Okay, second name will be that Rahul. Yes, he is on marketing team. Okay, and next will be that Pooja P. He is from HR team. Okay, last one will be that Gaurav D. He is from also technical team. Okay, we have created this. We have closed this, and we have to add the post construct annotation at the rate post construct. So it will be in it after the initiating the class. Okay, then second will be that we have creating some methods for the our logic. So firstly we have getting the public list of employee find all. Okay, we have returning the employee. Okay, it will be employee returning the employee list. Okay, second we have to write the method of find one. Public optional employee find one. Okay, it will be integer id, and here we can create the import the optional keyword from Java util. Okay, then here we can retain the list. which we have id we have giving to the that find one method. Okay, then we have to return employee list dot, we are using stream here guys, stream dot filter like emp dot id is equal to our id. Okay, that id will be matched, then we have to find first. This is our logic guys. Okay, our two endpoint will be completed guys, means two logic will be completed, and third logic will be that we have adding one new employee. So that logic will be, we have written like mm, that logic we have written like public employee create. Okay, then we have to give like name, which team he will belong with, and last one will let we have team. Okay, then we have to getting the employee, new employee. Okay, then firstly we have created one employee object equal to new employee. Okay, we have getting the employee id dot increment and get, and we have to name and team. Okay, then we have to close this, and after that we have to add that employee inside our list. Okay, then we have to employee list dot add, and we have to add the new employee. Okay, that will be we have to add it, and we have after that we have to return the new employee. Okay, then second will be that we have to create another layer like another method like delete method. Okay, public employee delete. Okay, inside delete we have to calling like getting the integer id. Okay, so we have creating the delete method. So here you can create like employee is equal to employee list dot stream dot filter, and after that we have creating like emp, we have using lambda expression p dot id is equal to id, and we have to find first, and or else throw, we are throwing the exception. New illegal argument exception. or we have simply through a employee not found. Okay, that will be exception we have throw. Okay, then we have to return the deleted employee. Okay, then why it is showing the error? Okay, it will be not receiving the argument. Okay, then last operation will be that update employee. Okay, then we have to update employee operation like public employee update. We have update the employee integer id string name and which team will be it will be belong. Okay, then we have to updated employee, getting the updated employee updated employee is equal to new employee like id name team. Okay, then we have to like getting the employee from the db. Firstly, employee list as stream. Okay, employee list as stream dot filter, and after that we have getting like employee emp dot id dot find first. Okay, that will be return out return to the our return to id. Okay, it will be written the optional keyword. Okay, then here we can create the optional optional employee. Okay, then next we have to checking that employee will be available or not. Then we have to create like optional employee dot is present. Okay, and that will be employee will be present. Then we have to update the employee. Okay, then we have to optional employee dot get. Okay, we are getting the employee, and we have to getting the index of that employee. Firstly, employee dot index of employee dot index of. Okay, we have employee list dot index of, and we have giving the employee. Okay, we have getting the index of that employee. Okay, then we have to setting the that index to the employee. Okay, then we have to employee dot set dot set. Now we have set the index of, and our employee. Okay, that's all. Then we have to create one else statement through illegal argument exception, and we have something like invalid employee not found. Okay, then we have to return the updated employee here. Return okay, that's 4 steps, guys. We have to click creating the employee class. Okay, then we have create one employee controller layer, guys. So here we can create one employee controller layer. So here we can create new package for controller. Okay, inside that package we have firstly refresh this. We have clicking on employee controller. Okay, guys, we have employee controller code. Okay, I have already created employee controller code, guys. So time being, I have pasted that code, but I have attaching the in the description git link, so you can download that code on that git also. Okay, guys, this is our controller code, guys. Nothing anything new in this code. We have injecting the dependency injection by using our service layer, and after that we have calling the service method. No anything complex logic, guys. And here you can this is unique thing. One will be that we have using the query mapping annotation, mutual mapping annotation. So here we can understand that we have not anything defined in the rest endpoint. We have not defining the rest endpoint. We have only creating method and defining the annotation. Our GraphQL annotation here in here. Okay, guys. The next thing will be that we have create one giving the some properties inside the property dot application dot properties file, guys. So inside the application dot properties file, we have one application name, guys. Then we have to spring dot GraphQL dot GraphQL dot enabled true. Okay, then spring dot GraphQL dot path. Like path we have giving like slash GraphQL. Okay, this is our path, guys. Then next thing will be that we have create one schema.graphql file. Okay, guys. Then we have creating that file inside the our. Okay, guys. Inside here we can create one new file. So we can I have already created that file, guys. So here you can that file. Okay, inside that file, guys, we have one we have some entities, like which entity we have using. Okay, guys, then we have defining some entities. Okay, this is our entities. We have to HR, product, marketing, management, and technical department. So we have defining like this. Okay, and we have enum. We have 3 fields in employee, and we have then we have to query that we have 2 query fields and 3 mutation fields, then we have to defining like this. Same like we have creating this in the service layer. Here we can create the inside the schema.graphql.graphqls. We have creating that file also, guys. So next thing will be that we have to save this and we have run this project and we have to see what's happening after that running that project. Okay, then we have to run this project. We have debugging that project firstly, so we can see that our project is running or not. Okay guys, our project is starting. Okay guys, our project is Tomka starting in 8080. So okay guys, our project is running, then we have to hit this. Okay, our project is successfully running, guys. We have getting the all these employee. Okay, we have 5 employee, we have getting this all these employee. If we have client, we have not required of ID, so we have hitting this. See guys, we have only two fields, not required of team, then we have getting the only one field. We have required of ID and name, then we have getting the only two fields. This is the advantage of GraphQL. Okay guys, find all will be working, guys. Then second will be that we have update or create. Firstly, we have creating one new employee. Then new employee name will be that Rahul. Rahul, yes. And that department will be that marketing. Okay, then we have to create that employee. What is the issue? Okay, we have to update, not updating this, only create. Okay, then we have to create this. Okay, Rahul yes will be created. Okay, then we have to get that employee, then Rahul yes will be also get it creating. Okay, this Rahul yes. Okay, Rahul is also creating, guys. Then we have to Rahul yes move to the our technical department. So we have to update that. So we have to update Rahul yes, like their ID will be 9 and name will be Rahul and team will be that will be updated on the technical department, guys. So we have to technical department. Then we have to update this. Okay, that is updated, and then we have to finding the find all. Then Rahul is updated, guys, as a technical department. Okay, see Rahul is updated on technical department. Okay, then we have to delete that one employee. So we have to delete this one employee. We have deleting like Pooja yes. Okay, we have to deleting the Pooja yes. Okay, Pooja yes will be deleted. Then we have to verify that it will be deleted or not. Okay, Pooja is will be also related. Then we have to delete the Sham. Then we have to giving the Sham employee ID. Employee ID will be 1. We have to query that. Then Sham employee ID also related. Then we have to find all. Then Sham is also deleted, guys. That is the GraphQL, guys. Then here we cannot anything change in the API. It will we have to create one layer inside the our inside our inside of our code. We have creating one layer of GraphQL, and after that query language we have to hitting that layer. So we have seen that we have getting that this also, and in the browser level we have getting this also. So here we can give the find all query, and we have opening the browser, and here we can give the query like this, and we have run this, then we have getting the data here also. Okay, this is the our GraphQL server, guys. This is UI, guys. We have creating this UI, guys. Okay guys, I hope you have understand the GraphQL layer. uh, you like that this video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay guys, thank you, bye.